Precision Anodizing. A receipt, I will post the receipt up here, and you can take a look at that real quick. Just go ahead and pause it, and then let's open this up. So, look at that. They bagged it all up for me. They left it in the bags. What a bunch of nice people. All right, there we go, guys. Everything laid out on the floor here. So you can see everything came out looking amazing. Valve covers look great. Intake manifold looks great.